What is up, you guys, and welcome back to Ungeek. My name is Colin, and today we have another special unboxing care of our friends from Realme. So kitang-kita naman, this is the Realme 6 Pro, and I know kakalabas lang ni Realme no 6i, and now we have the 6 Pro here. Wow, we actually just made an unboxing video last week, and now we have something new to unbox for you guys. Grabe palaban talaga si Realme, no? But before we go into the unboxing, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so because we're outing more and more videos for you guys. In fact, we're currently running a giveaway where we're giving this particular cap away. This is the Pokemon X New Era cap. We got this in Japan last year, and it's a very exclusive design in Japan as well. And we're giving this to one lucky viewer, and that could be you. So to know more, I'm going to be linking the mechanics of this up here and down below. We actually outed the mechanics of this in our last Hype Geek video. So if you have not seen that, do check it out. With that out of the way, let's go on now with the unboxing. So before we go into the main event, Realme actually sent us another item in the mail, no? So this is a really cute yellow backpack. So buksan na rin natin to, tingnan natin what's inside. I don't know why they sent this to us. Woo! Pwede. And it has a number 6 here, so I'm guessing this is part of their promotion for the Realme 6. So it could be from the 6 or the 6 Pro. We're not entirely sure, but my speculation, since they sent it with the 6 Pro, baka could be a pre-order detail. It's a really small bag though. I think it's a small carry laptop bag. Then di rin. But it has a little bit of padding. And as someone who likes yellow stuff, sobrang okay tong bag na to. So thank you, Realme. Thanks for this. So now, let's go on with this. So the Realme 6 Pro comes in the typical Realme 6 box. So again, if you've seen any Realme box, it's pretty much the same. Nakalagay lang dito, 6 Pro. At the back, it already highlights a couple of the features that we're already going to be seeing on the phone. And it's pretty surprising because it actually uses a new processor that we have not ever tried yet on any other phone. So yeah, exciting to open this up now for you guys. Yan, so let's take out the plastic wrapper first. Very gingerly opening this para naman hindi natin magasgas yung box, diba? Medyo maayos pa yung pagkatanggal. So pag medyo OC kayo, ganito yung pagbukas ng cellphone para the cling wrap plastic can still be, seen at the back. But I'll probably remove that as well later. Alam mo, tatanggalin ko na. Mas satisfying. Nice sound. When you open it, of course, it comes with a greeting. It says, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." So thank you, Realme. Thanks for welcoming us again. At the back, it says, "Let's embrace a new journey together." And inside of this is, of course, your SIM ejector tool, some pamphlets that no one's going to be reading, and of course, a soft jelly case. Now, before we go into the phone, let's check what's inside. So when you open it up, it comes with, a really big charger and a Type-C connector. And sorry, I'm mistaken. I thought the SIM ejector tool is inside here. It's not. It's actually inside here. Usually kasi nilalagay nila dito, but this is interesting, okay? So let's open the plastic up. And wow, look at that. Fresh off the pack. Let's remove this thing so we can see the entire beautiful back of Realme 6 Pro, and has that nice S-curve happening, like a swivel of a lightning here. And that's exactly what the inspiration apparently for the Realme 6 Pro design is. The inspiration is lightning, and we got ourselves the lightning blue colorway. So the Realme 6 Pro comes in 2 colorways that's coming here in the Philippines. It's the lightning blue and the lightning red. There is a lightning orange though, but according to our friends from Realme Philippines, it is an India exclusive. So sayang, I would have wanted that orange because, well, anything closer to yellow, I like. But blue is also nice. Look at that. Very deep hue, and again, very unique painting method that Realme employs. I'm really surprised with the design of Realme, I mean, a lot of phones, they would usually just go with either a gradient look or like maybe 2-tone or 3-tone gradient look. But Realme has always pushed the boundaries in terms of being more quirky with their designs. So with the 6i, we saw a lot of vertical lines, reminiscent of blinds or of a Rimowa case. This one is more lightning. So paano pa kaya yung Realme 6, no? Ano kaya yung design inspiration yan? So we don't really have any info on the 6 right now, but when we do, we'll share it with you guys kagad. So right now, let's check the other elements of the Realme 6 Pro. Realme has been constantly positioning their brand as a brand for the youth, and to be fair with the design, it is super quirky, it is super creative, and I am totally in love with it. And you know what? It's not just a huge gimmick thing. The actual hand feel of this unit feels super solid and super premium. So right off the back, at the back, you can already see quad cameras here. We'll go into that in a bit. When you turn it over, you have 2 cameras here, so that's a total of 6 cameras, and has a side-mounted fingerprint that also acts as a power button. And when you open it up for the first time, you'll be greeted with the Realme sign, the Realme logo here. And yeah, this is actually being run with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. So this is the first time that we're actually seeing a 720G on a phone. So according to Realme and their claim to fame is this is also the first phone that actually uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. So we're going to be setting this up in a bit so we can see what's inside now. But before we go on with this, let's admire the whole 6.6-inch 90Hz full HD display that Realme 6 Pro has. Now definitely the whole 90Hz refresh rate is going to make a huge difference when you play games or when you watch a lot of content in your new Realme 6 Pro. So the Realme 6 Pro maximizes the whole display because of the pill-shaped in-display camera sensors that they use. So this is sort of reminiscent with a lot of the newer flagship phones that we have seen in the past couple of months. This actually gives the Realme 6 Pro a larger screen-to-body ratio. Now inside the pill-shaped in-display front camera sensor houses a 16-megapixel wide camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. I am super excited for this. Yes guys, ang pagbabalik ng ultra-wide selfie is back. It's here! I've been wanting that feature for the longest time. And to be honest with you guys, an ultra-wide front-facing camera helps a lot, especially for vlogging or if you just want to take a group selfie. So pagbabalik na ba ulit ng Groovy? Now towards the rear, you're still going to be greeted with a 3.5mm jack and a USB-C port. So turning towards the rear camera, you have a 64-megapixel main shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens that does 2x zoom, so you can do 20x hybrid zoom, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. So nandito pa rin siya, yung macro photography natin for macro photographers. Hindi kayo nakalimutan ni Realme. So some of the features that Realme is highlighting with their camera is a tripod mode that actually should give you better stabilizations, and it also has night mode 3.0. So a lot of the features that are available on high-end flagship phones are now housed here. So as mentioned, the Realme 6 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G. Now coupling the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G is an 8GB RAM, and it has 128GB of storage. Now this is the variant that we got. We're not entirely sure if there's a 6GB RAM and 64GB of storage configuration as well. Now all of this supposed power would be entirely useless if your battery is really small. Thankfully, the Realme 6 Pro has 4300 mAh power battery and a 30-watt VOOC fast charger. Now as far as performance goes, we still have to check this out, so do check out ungeek.ph when we launch our full review. Take note of May 27, 12 noon and mark that in your calendars because Realme Philippines is going to officially be launching the Realme 6 Pro in a special live stream session. So like and follow Realme's page if you haven't yet so you get up to date with their latest announcements. And that's it for the really quick unboxing of the Realme 6 Pro. Now we have to of course test this and put this through all the paces, but the Realme 6 Pro is here and it looks super gorgeous guys, and we cannot wait to test it out. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, please share this and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. That is the goal that I set for myself for this channel. Hopefully makuha natin yon, and if that actually happens, who knows, maybe we'll come up with a new giveaway for you guys and it's not just a cap this time. And that's it for me. Let us know your thoughts on the Realme 6 Pro. As of this recording, we do not have the official price, but we'll know about that probably when they do their online launch on the 27th. So sabayan nyo kami. Let's all tune into that time and let's see how much the Realme 6 Pro is going to be for the Philippine market. I cannot wait. And with that guys, my name is Colin and I'll see you guys on the next one. Please do keep safe guys, and of course, keep on gaming.